on Chegem waterfalls. We once met in Makhachkala in Dagestan, and second time we are meeting
in Пятигорск. Этот берем. Сколько вы сказали? 150?
Давайте за 250.
Боже, правда, 250.
300 давай. Chegem Canyon, waterfalls, ancient areas of Russia. Chegem waterfalls are one of the visit cards of tourist recreational complex of Kabardino-Balkaria. They are located in the gorge near the village of Chegem Canyon at 54 kilometers from city Nalchik. Chegem waterfalls, from Balkar translated water from the throat, a rare beauty pageant. Chegem waterfalls is a place visited by tourists from all over Russia, and in particular the place of leisure trips from Caucasian mineral waters. Popular excursion place with many cafes around and shops of folk handmade things. Hello everyone, we are on Chegem waterfalls. This is my friend Kate from South Sakhalin, Южно Sakhalin. We once met in Makhachkala in Dagestan, and second time we are meeting
in Пятигорск.
No, yeah. Lovely place with Kate. Kate, tell me, how was your trip to Elbrus Mount?
It was very hard. Really hard.
4,100. So high, so cold.
Yeah.
She did ski. She's very strong woman. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
So just look. We are having good day, victory day. Фиолетовый тоже. Ну, какой тебе нравится? Здесь цвета подсолнуха.
Этот берем. Сколько вы сказали? 150?
Давайте за 250.
Боже, правда, 250.
300 давай. Пожалуйста. Она из Южно-Сахалинска.
Ну, в принципе, без разницы. Я тоже всегда хочу купить. Так что, можно торговаться?
300, конечно, можно.
350.
О.
Если бы я вам сказала 500 или 400. Ну, ладно, возьмите 50. Спасибо. Все. Давайте, спасибо, ага.